Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. The green haired nut job is back again. Bit hot, but yes, it's another good day here in Benidorm. Today we've got another huge Temu unboxing. I'm here with Benidorm Scooter Sue, if you can see her. There she is.
Hi guys.
Looking beautiful as usual.
Looking hot.
Right, so we're going to get right into it. It is quite a big parcel. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but I mean, look at how big that is. I'm going to try open it from the top, or I could just stab my finger into the middle, right? Yeah, I'll do it that way. I've got so much stuff in here. Yeah, that's one way of doing it. Gonna pull the first item out. This is something I've been kinda worried about, this one. Let's see how it's worked out. I'm hoping it's worked out nice. Got the sticker on it. Yeah, I'll let you rip that off first. Right, so the stickers completely left it weird and ruined it, but well, we're probably gonna have to stand up for this. It is a Benidorm Crazy Marcus beach towel, if you can see that. It is quite thin, to be honest.
Probably gonna want a quick wash first.
Yeah, but it is very thin. I'm surprised by that. I thought it would be quite a good thickness. I mean, hang on. Like, compared to this one here, like just a normal Benidorm towel, like, quite a different quality. Whether or not that will be a good sort of thing to use, whole nother story, to be honest. Yeah. Next thing out the bag, something else I've been worried about is some key rings, if I can open them. Now, these aren't for me, they are for a friend, before I show you one. And they're Arsenal Premier League champion keyrings. Champions keyrings, I mean. And they've all got to be put together as well. I did not realise that. They have got to be pre-made, which it didn't say on the thing, but there they are. Arsenal Premier League champions keyrings. Now, I'm not an Arsenal fan, I am a Liverpool fan. Therefore a mate of mine. So hopefully he'll be alright with them. Hopefully he'll like them, so yeah. I'll get to work like putting all the rings on them and get them down to him next time I'm out. Watching in the parcel again. What's this, I wonder? It is a cooling pillowcase
Grey.
in a grey colour. Now, there's two. Oh, I'm not sure how these actually work, to be honest. It does just sort of show you put them on your pillow and they're meant to be like nice and cold. They do feel like the silk material, so whether they'll work like that, I don't know. I mean, it could possibly be I need to have another sort of nosy nose at the advert for them and see if there is actually any sort of info on how they work, how you use them, because to be honest, there's a lot of things like these on Temu. You got like cooling blankets, cool bedding, stuff like that, designed for the summer. So I thought, like, if they do work, it will be nice. I mean, there's no real instructions with them in the packaging, so
You just put them on the
very helpful. Latching in now. Next up is something I've been looking forward to. It is a Art to Clown Terrifying mask. Let's get it on, get it on, get it on, get it on. Makes an improvement.
Ooh, it's got a thread hanging off it. Can you breathe in it?
Kind of.
Can you see?
Yeah. So, yes, if you haven't guessed already, this is an employment to what I'm going as for Halloween and Fancy Dress Day. Bloody hell. I'm surprised that fit, actually. Weren't really any sizing on it, it were just kind of like one size fits all.
Loose by fancy dress and Halloween, hopefully.
I'd have lost weight.
Be a bit colder. I'll do it.
Hang on, yeah. These birds on the panels again. Gonna watch in further, get something out the bag. Something else now. I know what these are. If I could get them out the bag, that is. They are some JBL earphones. Now, I'm kind of surprised you can actually get officially licensed products on Temu. Just trying to open them up because I want to make sure they are like the right connection. Because if they ain't like the right connection, they ain't like the aux cable connection thing, I'm a bit buggered. But yeah. Like the pink connection, I think.
Plug in.
I can't even get them out the box. Gosh. Oh, there we are. So, you got some like muffs for them, like the little protection things. They do appear to be the aux cable protection thingy, the aux cable thingy, so yeah, I'm happy with them. Hopefully sound quality on them ain't gonna be too bad. So yeah, happy days. And they do look quite nice as well. I'm surprised you can actually get like genuine products on Temu. I mean, we bought like 2 DJI gimbals off Temu and now JBL headphones, which I've just chucked all the stuff out of.
Did you order yourself some pillowcases?
Yes, somewhere. I'm just gonna shove them there. Right. Matching. I don't know where to go. So we have got some more with the cooling pillowcases in a nice light blue colour. Again, looking forward to seeing if they actually
Did you
do
order
work.
2 different colours then?
Yeah, I ordered some for me and you and some for Dad.
So there should be another pack then.
No, blue for me and you, because there's 2 blues. Then a greyish brown one for Dad.
But there's 2 of them.
Yeah, so that if one gets messy, you got a spare one. Right, I'm still not searching. I'm going to pull this thing out. I think I know what this is. Sue's trying to like make stuff better to grab. Bless her. So this is a very beautiful football shirt. If you know me, I love
nice.
me football shirts. It's
That
a
is nice.
Brazil football shirt with a beautiful blue parrot on it.
What size is that?
It is a 2XL. And guess how much it was, guys? It was only like a £5. Like, I'm surprised with that on Temu. Like, the amount of different sort of like special edition football shirts you can get on there. And the price as well. Like, amazing. I mean, if you're into your crazy like edition football shirts like I am, like your Japan shirts, your Brazil shirts, your Mexico shirts, Temu's the best place to go, honest to God. Next pull, it's some of my accessories. Now I didn't realise there'd be 3 in here. I thought there'd only be 1. It is part of my accessories for my fancy dress day costume.
Oh wow, you could put them on scooters.
If I can open it.
On the end. Down on the end, isn't it?
Oh. It is a little hooter. If you've watched Terrifier with Art the Clown, he has one of these. He runs round chasing people with it. Gonna be a right laugh come Halloween.
And you can take the bracket off, I believe.
Yeah, I think you can put them on scooters, on push bikes. I mean, when I ordered them, it only showed like you were buying 1, but
How much were they?
only a couple your way.
For the 3?
I think. I didn't realise I was getting 3.
Maybe they made an accident.
I'm not gonna complain. Next up at the back, I generally can't remember half the stuff I've ordered. It's a ghost hunting rucksack. Says paranormal investigator on the front. Hopefully this will be a bit better because then my equipment will be a lot more organised. So I'm not having to like ratch right through the bag to find the bit of equipment I actually want to use. Next is my Art the Clown costume, the actual main costume. I'm not gonna get that up yet because I want to try it on later. I'm not gonna get that up back because it is quite a lot of like, bits and pieces in there. But yeah, I will say stay tuned for Halloween and November Fancy Dress Fiesta. Next is something a bit more badly put in the bag. Some stuff like when you buy shirts on Temu, they nicely fold it all up, they fold it neatly and place it in the bag. Whereas this one was just sort of scrumpled up. It is another football shirt, it's upside down. I believe it's Mexico and it's like Clash Royale themed with like goblins on the front there. It looks awesome. And it also matches colour with my hair as well. Very nice. Got Christmas all over again. And last but not least, at the back of goodies is the thing I've been looking forward to the most. It is a hoodie of some of my favourite YouTubers, the boys. For some reason, there's a Chinese sticker or Japanese. It is a boys hoodie. Feels really good quality, that. God. So I've got
Boys on the front.
yeah, boys on the front. They're not sort of anime style character thing on the back. Very cool.
Nice.
Very nice indeed. And it actually feels nice quality as well, so that should keep me pretty warm come the winter. So yeah, all in all, did I think it were a success? Yes, I do. Kind of. I say kind of because the beach towel I've ordered, yeah, not the greatest of quality, but still, I mean, it were cheap. What do I expect? The key rings as well, got to put all them together. Thought they'd have been pre-made, like already with the attachments on them, but still, what do you expect? But yeah, all in all, I'm happy with everything I've ordered. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Adios.